So you have a picture of the days of Noah, picture of the days of Sodom, immoral and violent society, attempted homosexual rape taking place in Sodom, which is a sign of the depravity and the wickedness of that generation. And because of this wickedness, God decides he's going to put an end to those two societies with judgment. The flood coming in the days of Noah and the fire falling on Sodom and Gomorrah and destroying them. So the first thing you have to recognize is that if Jesus says it's going to be as in these days, so there's going to be some parallel with that and the days which he's talking about his second coming. So to ask yourself the question, do you see a world today which is in rebellion against God, which is wickedness everywhere, filled with violence? Even we're seeing homosexuality being imposed upon society. We see immorality, violence, wickedness, all kinds of deceptions. We see this taking place around the world. So you have some parallel there. He also says that in those times, God rescued his people. So there was admittedly a small group of people, Noah and his family who went into the ark, Lot and his family who escaped from Sodom, who were rescued by God before the judgment fell, were taken to a place of safety. So we have this picture of one being taken, one being left. One's being taken out of the way of the judgment, those being left behind who face the judgment of God when it falls. So we have this idea that at some point in this process, God is going to take people to be with himself.